Hey, what's up guys, doing a motion tracking tutorial today on 2D motion tracking. It might be in two parts depending on how long the video will be. I'm going to try to race through it so I can get it in one part here. The reason why I don't want it in two parts is because of the 15-minute upload thing, and I can't set up another phone number for it since I use that one on my old account. So we're going to quickly add our color correction. You don't have to do this, so I'm not going to explain really that much. Layer new, adjustment layer. You want to get your magic bullet look, so whatever color correction you're going to use, and just drag a color correction onto it, like so. Now what I'm going to do is add some black boxes at the top and bottom for the widescreen effect, like that. So that's done there. Now we can get on with the actual tutorial itself. Firstly, I'm going to show you what it looks like in full render, just like that. So our clip basically is something that we can motion track onto. 2D motion track, which will look quite well in an episode, which is what I'm going to be using this for. I might change the color correction because it doesn't look that good on this map, in my opinion, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Clip is just a rotating cinematic like that. So we're going to first of all right click the clip and go on track camera. That'll track a camera. It'll take a little while, probably about 2 minutes, so for time saving, and because I don't want to keep you guys waiting, I'm going to pause the video, so I'll be right back. Here I'm back. So basically it did that, it took about a minute or two, then it went on to solving camera as well, and then you'll be able to see when you scan through here, you'll be able to see these little dots. I'm going to put mine in quarter actually, so you can see there's tracked dots on the sequence. That's what's going to make us be able to motion track it properly. So don't mess around with your mouse in here, don't drag anything around just like that stuff. Don't do that, because I'll just mess it up. So next thing you want to do is you want to go on create camera, and that'll create our new camera. Then we want to go on layer, new, null object. And we want to track that null object on parent here to 3D tracker camera, which is our camera. Then what we can do is create our text. So I'm going to write SCADA presents, which is what I'm going to have on this video. I will change the font because I don't want to keep using the same font all the time. But I'll do that in my own time. So we can put this anywhere, put it about central I would. It doesn't really matter. We want to go on effect, stylize and glow while we're clicking our text layer. And that'll make it have a nice glow around it. Then we can right click our text, go 3D layer, and you'll see that it is actually tracked. And it is actually tracked where I wanted it to be as well. Well, roughly. I'm just going to move it that way a little bit. And that should be about it, to be honest. Maybe move it this way a little bit. Like so. So we move around and it stays there. Let's be more there actually. So now I can preview this. I'm going to do it on quarter. Preview that. It should be basically locked on, like properly tracked, without any problems of sliding. Doesn't look like it's sliding at all. No, it is well and truly done. Then what you can add is another few effects. So like when it gets to about here, you can say make it slow motion or something. So to do that, we can click them all, go pre-render. Pre-compose, wherever that is. Pre-compose at bottom of layer. Into motion track. That'll make our composition 1. And then we can, when it gets to about here, we can make it go in slow motion, for example. So time, enable time remapping. Let's just say create a keyframe when it gets to about there. So we'll do it with Twixtor instead, actually. No, we'll split the clip. Oh my god, I can't split clips, can I? On this, so my Camtasia. Well, I think we'll just leave it at that in this case. I was gonna make it like, say, go big like that, zoom in, and maybe tilt like that, like pop forward and then wiggle or something. But unfortunately, my Camtasia doesn't like to cooperate with me when I'm using After Effects, and I need to change the bindings on that. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. It's worked well, it's tracked. So let me know how yours goes. Please put yours in a video response. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.